Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can just create an account on BeReal. So for that we have to just first install the BeReal app. I'm just going through this my Play Store, and once it's been just downloaded, just click on open over here, and after that we have to just click on continue, get start. I have to just write my name over here. After that we have to just mention our date of birth over here, and then click on continue, and then over here I have to just write my phone number and then click on continue, and it will just send a code on my mobile number. I have to just enter that particular code, and it will just automatically continue, and then click on continue over here. And if you just want to allow your contact to access you have to click on allow. If don't, just click on don't allow, and then that's all. You can see over here we have just created our BeReal account over here. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel and do share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.